So Universal has just dropped its 3D effect from yet another 3D attraction. As of February 25th, Skull Island Reign of Kong no longer offers a 3D option. Me personally, I think there's a little bit more to this story than just cost-saving measures. Universal really has been killing it lately since 2019 when they opened Hagrid's Magical Creature Motorbike Adventure. Guest feedback has been incredibly high comparatively to years prior to Hagrid and Velocicoaster. Why? Because guests really have been tired of all the 3D attraction and screen rides that we've been getting in the last few years. Clearly, the masses want more physical sets and thrills. Between the years of 2012 and 2018, Universal opened 5 3D attractions and basically nothing else. So visiting guests and pass holders have been pretty tired of all the screen rides. We're not getting anything else. So guest surveys and feedback have just been plummeting because people are so tired of the same thing over and over again. From Despicable Me, Minion Mayhem, Transformers The Ride 3D, Harry Potter and Escape from Gringotts, Skull Island Reign of Kong, and Race Through New York starring Jimmy Fallon. Though it's not really a 3D ride, a screen ride, Fast and Furious Supercharged is one of the lowest rating rides that has ever existed. During the construction of Fast and Furious Supercharged, Universal was really receiving all this feedback about the hate for 3D rides. I have never ridden the tram tour over at Universal Studios Hollywood, but there's a portion of the tour that has this supercharged video playing over there, but it's 3D. So we got the 2D version of a 3D ride. I'm not saying Fast and Furious Supercharged would have been that much better in 3D, but you can obviously tell the ride is not what it was meant to be. Like, why is Vin Diesel like 14 feet tall? So all this being said, what's happening is Universal is like, okay, guests aren't crazy about the 3D effect, so let's start removing the 3D effect. So now Despicable Me Minion Mayhem no longer has the 3D effect, and now as of February 25th, Skull Island Reign of Kong temporarily doesn't have the 3D effect. Though it's temporary, all the signs have been removed, and it really looks like this is gonna be permanent. What I'm trying to grasp is this a cost-saving measure, or is Universal just not interpreting the guest feedback correctly? People were not fed up with the 3D effect, it was the rides that came with 3D in mind. Making a 3D ride 2D is still a 3D ride, but now you have a lesser experience. Am I the biggest 3D attraction fan? Absolutely not. But taking the 3D effect from that ride diminishes it. I mean, Skull Island Reign of Kong already has its challenges, like it's been almost a year since the outside portion of the bus tour has even been operating. So now, you don't go outside, you're not gonna have 3D, it's gonna be completely 2D experience. It kinda seems like Skull Island Reign of Kong is on its way out. I don't know, this is probably just all speculating, and who am I to even make these assumptions, but it really seems like there's more than cost effectiveness at play here. I'm one of Universal's biggest fans, it's my favorite theme park in the entire world, but they do make some great decisions and some bad ones. Regardless, I know there's a select group of people that just can't do 3D rides whatsoever, and so they're probably pretty happy about this change. I just don't think Universal is getting the point. Or maybe it is all about the cost. I don't know. Who cares? Don't even listen to me. Thank you for letting me rant a little bit about 3D rides at Universal. Let me know in the comments if you are a fan of the 2D rides and you kind of hope this is a permanent change so you can enjoy Reign of Kong the way you like it. If you guys did like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Theme Park Groupie.